Welcome back to today's video. For today's video, I'm actually really excited. I am going to try to recreate a Nikkie tutorials makeup tutorial. Wow. I don't really know how it's gonna go, okay? I hope well, but you never know with these kind of things. First off, I want to say that I don't have like any of the makeup that she has because A, I can't afford it. B, I don't want to afford it. I'm going to try to recreate this with the stuff that I already own and just see how it goes. If you would like to see if I can do this, then just keep watching. I don't think this is gonna go well. No, we aren't going to try that one. The ultimate New Year's Eve glam transformation. No, thank you. Wow. I've watched her before, but like, I've never thought about doing one for myself. So this is going to be getting crazy. Word, this isn't going to go well at all. I can tell. That's the one I picked right there. It was uploaded on like September 10th of 2017. So it's a little old, you know, but her more recent ones are like utterly impossible. Let's give it a go. I've got the tutorial right here. I'm so excited. All right, so she went in with like a blurring primer. So I guess, you know, we'll do the same thing. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Filling Primer because, I don't know, pore filling and smoothing are like the same deal. And the one thing that I've noticed from her is that her makeup is flawless. Like, it's always so unbelievably smooth. I cannot wait to see if this is gonna turn out. I bet it won't, but you know, skin smooth. Honey, I can't afford Lancome, okay? We gotta go with Wet n Wild. Alright, so like a fuller coverage foundation that I have is from Wet n Wild. It's their HD Photo Focus Foundation. It's really good. It's probably not Lancome, but it's good. And I might mix that with another one, but as of right now, I'm gonna go in with this. We rolling with it. We're gonna apply a little bit more on top. Oh, mama. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna try to unclog my pores for like 4 days after this. Oh my. I'm gonna come back in 1 second and look entirely different. Give me a minute. Casper the Ghost called. He wants his face back. She leaves her foundation on her lips, but it's kind of scaring the heck out of me, but I'm gonna leave it because she does too. She didn't say which concealer she used, which for me is a good thing because then I can't say I don't have it. So I'm just gonna put one on it that appears to be thick coverage. I mean full coverage. We're gonna go with it. I don't know about this. I don't exactly feel good about this, but you know, that's okay. This is not going to be well. Okay, my sponge is literally sticking. I'm just gonna set this with some translucent powder. Oh dear, I'm going blind. Oh, I hope she sets the eyelid. Oh, please tell me you set the eyelid. Now I'm just going in and setting the rest of my face just like she's doing. I feel like I just got the Great Awakening or the plague. She's so gentle. I'm like, did I get it? Okay. I'm not happy with that. Holy cow, what is she doing? I think she's setting some more. I think that's the third layer of powder. Okay, wow. She just did her brows off camera. Well, we're in some trouble. Oh no. I can do this. We're gonna try. So we're gonna wing it. I'm sure there's some video I could find that she explains how she does her brows, but I ain't got time for that, alright? This is already gonna take me a good 4 hours. This lip situation though. They seem to be very defined, but it's a good shape, you know? The end is a little pronounced for me, but it works for her. Stop making facial expressions. It's creasing. Here goes nothing. I need this sharpened. Ooh. Yep. Oh, these babies are gonna be dark. Why am I not mad at this? Wow. You might need some concealer for these. My brows are already pretty full, so I don't think I really need to fill them in. Oh, I'm shook. Oh. Alrighty, it's time to do the eyeshadow, which I'm excited for because it's always fun to try a new technique, and I think this is gonna be different. Looks like she's going in with a pretty warm toned brown. So I'm gonna go in with maybe this shade. And then she is tapping, so I'm gonna do the same thing. You know? Oh boy. Wow, that's so cool. This is so cool. I'm gonna go this one because it actually looks pretty legit. Who am I kidding? She's Nikkie Tutorials. Of course she's gonna blend it out later. Okay, now she's like blending it, which I'm like good because it needs some blending. It's so funny how you shape your eyeshadow can make you look entirely different. Like I feel like I don't look like the same person right now. Okay, what else is she doing? She's just like blending it to like pure perfection. Please tell me that's it. If that's it, then we're good. Ooh, that's promising. All right, now she takes this across her lid. It's close. I'm not sure if it's the exact same color, but okay, so it isn't perfect, but I did really try. Now she's moving on to her lower lash line, and I know that she really goes for it for the lower lash line. So at first I almost choked when she said this was easy, and it's 2 eyeshadows, and I'm going in with like 7 different palettes, and I'm like, this ain't easy. I don't even know what shadow I just used. This is so cool. I think I have so much eyeshadow like in my actual eye, it's insane. Okay, she applied false eyelashes off camera. I don't think I know what lashes they are, but I got some new ones last night and they're fierce. These are from Lily Lashes in Miami. I doubt these are what she's wearing. She doesn't say, but we'll see. I've never worn these before since I just got them last night and I don't know. Nope, they're perfect. Okay, so my eyes are done and they're dramatic. I won't hide it, I won't lie. They are dramatic. So she is now going to apply bronzer. Kat Von D contour kit. We're just gonna bronze up here. Oh, now she's contouring. Wait, is she applying, that was blush. No, that was blush. Okay, wait. I think what she just did was went in with blush, so I'm gonna go in with another Kat Von D blush. Go in and just, so that's a white toned highlighter, which I'm like all about that. Ooh, wow, she goes for it. You're done? That's it? That was like, I thought there were like 10 more steps easily. She didn't contour anything. Whoa, my nose. Send help. I don't care if she blends it or not. I'm blending this. Now, I don't have her liquid lip, surprising. So I don't know how I'm gonna dupe this, but I'm gonna try. I don't even know if I have a color similar. I cannot wait to define this lip. I thought for sure that this would just get out of control real quick. I thought I would have had this up to my nose. Now I need to top it with something because it's not exactly the same. All right, so that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and was something fun for you to watch. It was definitely fun for me to try this. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.